Welcome back to my channel. Yes, we are back. Welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay for those that are new here. And this video, I'm so excited because I literally just got this on my doorstep. The FabFitFun. Yes! Okay, I love getting these boxes because it's just, I just love getting them. I love it. FabFitFun is like an every 3-month subscription, every season. So yeah, you should get like 4 in a year. It's every season. It retails for $49.99, but you are gaining well over $200 worth of value in the box. So that's a good thing. So that's really good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is what it looks like. We got the cute little. Oop, let me put my phone on silent. We got the cute little heart. So I'm gonna grab my little box cutters here and open that up. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the box. It does this month, or this one feels super heavy. You do get a cute little magazine. So this is the magazine you get, and it really just tells you everything you got inside your box. It tells you what it retails for. Then it also has like some extra fun little stuff in here as well. This is super good. Yes, very fancy. Okay, so the first thing I got is these 2 little cards. It says, pass this on to a friend who would love FabFitFun. Ooh, so I have 2 $15 off your very first box. That's $200 plus value for $34.99. So awesome. So if anyone's interested in getting $15 off, I have 2. First come, first serve. First one to write in the comments that you want it, I will try to reach out to you. Leave your, I don't know what you want me to DM you on, like your Instagram I would prefer, so I can DM you the codes. If you're interested in this box, yeah. If you're interested in this box and you do want $15 off, which retails would make your box $34.99. Go ahead and comment down in the comment section saying that you want it. The first 2 people that comment, I will just do that. Give these to you guys. Okay. And then I got the HelloFresh. Ooh, let me not show you the code. I got $80 gift card to HelloFresh. It says $20 off your first 4 deliveries plus free shipping. And I have the code number, so I'm not going to give you guys the code, but if you guys do want this as well, go ahead and the first person to write in the comments saying that you want this card, I'll be giving that to you. So, oh, this is so cute. Okay, let me pick this up. Let me open it. So it's this, it's nicely packaged. It has a cute little sticker, and it has like these little paper thingies. So, okay. This box is like so big. This box is huge. Okay. Then I'm seeing a lot of different stuff in here, so I'm just going to pull out the first thing I see. It's this. So this is a hair spa, hair towel. So basically this is like a towel for your hair. I used to have these when I was younger, and I can't remember if I really cared for them or not. But now it says heat and frizz free dry. Now I'm definitely going to be trying them again. Let me open this. Whoop! Okay, so this is super soft. So it looks like this. And it has, okay, mine's back then did not have this like little grippy thing or this little button. So I guess what you do is you put your hair in it like this. You put all your hair in it, then you like would wrap it around, wrap it. And I guess, I don't know, maybe it works better if when I have my hair all wet or whatever. But yeah, so it works something like that. Oh, my hair's looking like a mess. Don't even worry about it, girl. But that is cute. I love that it's pink because my favorite color is pink. Alright, moving on. Okay, we got an Aveda item. Okay, this is like my, okay. So we do have an Aveda item. This one is the Daily Hair Repair Damage Remedy. So I used to work at an Aveda salon, one of my first salon jobs, and actually this stuff does really work. This is really good stuff. So the fact that it's in my FabFitFun, I'm like super surprised and like, wow, okay. It's not cheap. That's all I know. That Aveda's usually not cheap, but the quality is really good. So let me look how much this sells for. So $30. So this sells for $30. Yeah, so it's a daily hair repair, instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. So yeah, it's a leave-in treatment. You want to put it on while you have wet hair, dry it, and then you can go ahead and put your heating styling tools or heating whatever if you're drying or anything like that. This stuff is really good, especially I've used this a lot on people, on my clients that have very damaged hair or bleach. If you tend to bleach your hair a lot or use a lot of highlights, stuff like that, definitely this would be like your best friend. So that's really cool that I got it. That's awesome. I did not even know that I was gonna get it. So okay, these things are interesting. These are called Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. I have never tried these before. I've never even had this. What is this? Sugar cubes. Okay, so these are the sugar cubes. This retails for $16. It's like an exfoliating. It says exfoliating. Ooh. Oh. It's a little sticky. Oh my god. It smells so good. What the hell? Guys, this smells like, that smells like candy, but it smells like, I get like an apple, maybe like a sour apple. That smells really good. I'm really excited to try this, so I got this too. Next we have, this one is the Humankind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle, Cream Souffle, vegan and cruelty free, natural derived. What is this? This is it's a light whipped for the ultimate in kindness human plus kinds 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave on your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. So it's a moisturizer. So let me see this. Ooh, then they got They got it all like packaged all. So I always need like a good lotion. It doesn't smell bad. I'm not really sure what the smell is. The smell isn't strong. The smell's not strong or anything, so I'm not really sure. It smells nice. I like the smell. It feels nice on my skin. So the lotion retails for $18. So the lotion does retail. Ooh, the lotion does retail for $18, and all of these products are full size products. So I just want to say that out there. Okay, so this is one of my options that I did pick out. This is a like makeup traveling case. Because the one that I have is like super dirty and makeup spilled all in it, especially like my eyeliners and liner stuff. So I want to get like an actual good one. So this is Kate Spade, she's pretty good. Ooh, okay. This could be, and I like this because it's like kind of like, what is it, like insulated? Or no, is this a lunch bag? So you can actually put your lunch in here, or you can put your makeup in here. So it has like a little insulated on the inside. So the bag does retail for $30, and it is insulated. It'll keep your food nice and cool. Yeah. So I thought this was pretty cool. I like this. I actually did want this compared to the other options I got. Didn't really want the other options, but I like that. So next up we have eye mask from Wander Beauty. I love Wander Beauty. I think they're so good. Such a good company. And I've actually tried these before. They're gold liquid eye mask. I love them. They're so good. These retail for $25, and you get 6 eye mask pairs, and they're like gold. They're super slimy, and also I didn't have a hard or bad time getting them to stick on my actual face. So, okay, next up we have something from Cosmetics. Pure C. This is vitamin C mixing crystals. Okay, I guess you mix these in like your makeup or skincare. Whoa, this retails for $53. I am really curious on when they say crystals, like what do they mean? Here, hold up. Oh. This is it's super soft. It's like a soft powder. It's vitamin C. That's all it says. Okay, last but not least, this is another item I actually picked out in one of my little options. This is a Amica hair straightener. So I got in these, and let me see. Oh, it's like this. Oh, I live for the Amica hair straighteners. I just think they're so good. They're really good straighteners. So you get a hair straightener, yes, with Amica. Amica. I'm not really sure how you pronounce this, but this is soft. I love the color. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So this retails for $80. Holy crap. All this stuff I got in my box. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of add all these together. and see how much I got. Okay guys, so the total for my box, and this is the fall, I believe. So this is the fall box, and I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's $271. That's the value of my box for the fall, for this season. I'm so happy about almost everything I got. This is something new. I'm not too familiar with the brand, so I'm really interested in trying this out. Maybe mixing it into like my powders for my makeup or something. But yeah, I'm super interested in this. These look really interesting. Honestly, I've never tried these before. So yeah, I'm gonna have to see how these go. Interesting. I already know the Wander Beauty stuff works. I really like it. Everybody needs some good lotion. I already know. I've worked with Aveda before, so I already know this stuff is bomb. What else? This is pretty cool. I mean, is this something I didn't really care for in the box? Maybe they could have gave me something else, but you know, it's fine. We all need one of these. We all need at least one. But and the hair straightener, this is just worth it just by itself, because I need a new hair straightener. Well, I have a new one, but that one got a little dirty, so I'm happy I got a new one that's ready, and that's a good. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and oh yeah, and if you guys want $15 off your first box, which will retail at $34.99, go ahead and write down in the comments and leave your social media too. I'll be picking the first 2 people that write down in the comments for this. Also, if you're interested in the HelloFresh, I have an $80 gift card. Same as before. The first person to write saying that you want this as well, just go ahead and write down in the comments and leave your social media. That way I can DM you the codes. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. I'm not seeing anything else. Just thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So, FabFitFun. My friend will like eat these. No joke. She'll be like, She'll be like, I didn't know that was. I thought it was candy. I thought it was candy. No. No, girlfriend. No. I can literally just picture her and see her now and just being like, ooh. Oh. I'm sure it won't hurt you. Let me see. This candy. What is this, candy? What is this, candy? It says sugar on it. It says sugar.